Recently, with the latest UI update, NPTEL stopped their cut copy paste operations in their assignment page. So in the assignment page, if I want to cut copy paste, a pop-up appears that these things are not allowed. But they forgot to disable one thing, restrict one thing, that this page can be downloaded. Okay, so I will go save and share, and I will save this page. I will save it as assignment. Okay, and then I will go to ChatGPT, and I have developed a Python project for this where I will copy the prompt and I will paste that HTML file here. This assignment HTML file, I will paste the prompt and I will let it go. So to keep this thing very simple and easy to use for everyone, I have made this in such a way that you can use ChatGPT to answer all those questions. I could have made it in such a way that it is an AI agent and all, you have to give an API key, but that would be really complex for a person who doesn't have any technical knowledge of this. So here, as you can see, the output is already generated. So I will just simply copy this and go to my project and I will paste it here like this, and I will click on start. So I need to switch the screen, go to full screen, and I will have to wait for the assignment to get completed. So my agent will actually fill all those values and my assignment will be completed. As you can see, the whole assignment is completed and it is powered by AI, but my project actually doesn't use any API and it is very easy to use even for beginners. So I will just simply submit it.